Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please remember to hit the subscription button and turn on your post notification for when I do more updates. So as the title suggests, this will be my unboxing and review for the Homelabs handheld clothes steamer. Stay tuned for more. Alright, so I already kind of tore off the little gray tape. Alright, so inside we have a it's an activation card. It gives the website that you can go to activate your products so that you can get access to coupons, updates, and other cool stuff that they might have. They give their website, their telephone number, their email address, and all of that good stuff. Alright, next we have the manual. It's about a 10-page manual. Let's see, giving you instruction on how to install the cover and how many time it takes to eat up, as well as how many times it actually runs. So it's running time, and the box is empty. It was packed really good because it has one of these at the bottom and one at the top, and this is how it looks. I kind of imagine it to be a bit bigger, but nevertheless I think it will do its job just fine. Right, so this is the top. So this is the on and off switch, the card. Right, so I'm going to definitely read the manual and get back to you guys. So I filled it with water. After reading the manual, I filled it with water. That they said not to pass the max bar there, so I filled it up to right there. And now to get it shut, it has some signs at the side, so open, close, and then they have the open lock and then the close lock. So there's like a little notch here, so I'd get it in right at that notch and then close it this way. Alright, so I'm gonna get this plugged in. Also, it's good for or suitable for organic fabric, cotton, linen, wool. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on. Alright, so it takes 2 minutes to heat up, and then it runs for 12 minutes to get it plugged in, and then I'm gonna turn it on and leave it for 2 minutes and see. Oh yeah, alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it already started bubbling. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it already started bubbling. I didn't time myself. Alright, let's see. Yeah. I mean, as I turned it on, it started to bubble. This heats up really fast. Yeah, it's really pretty hot already. And just takes 2 minutes. Yep. I think we definitely reached our 2 minutes. Or almost. What I decided to get first is this 100% cotton dress. Just test it out. I kind of see a little bit of watermark. Yeah, I don't know if it's because I turned it off a while ago. My mistake, but I'm just gonna do a little part of this. But it runs for 12 minutes. I still have the timer on. But so far, I'm really seeing where it's actually working. And I think a steamer really does work more than the iron, because we know that the iron really, along with the sun, when you put your clothes in the sun, it helps to burn out your clothes really fast. But I think I really like what the steamer is doing. This is the side that was steamed, and then this is the side that wasn't steamed. As you can even see right here, the steamer kind of went through a bit, and this side doesn't look that crushed, but this side that I didn't went to any at all, you can see that this side is still really crushed. So yeah, I definitely like this. I think I'll be putting down the iron for a while now. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn it off, but so far I really like the progress it made in relation to health. I think this is definitely a steal. I will be putting this product on my Amazon storefront, so you can get access to this exact one. Alright, so I definitely do recommend it. The water was here, now it's at here, right here. So yeah, I think the water level would be the reason why it would run for 12 minutes, because I'm like at roughly 4 minutes going into 5 minutes, and it's there. So I think once the water dries out, that's when it would basically stop running, and you'd have to fill more water to do more clothes. So yes guys, I definitely do like this steamer. Remember, if you're interested in getting one of them, go to my Amazon storefront. I'll be leaving the link in my description, guys. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you all next time.